Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we'll show you how to cut larger seed potatoes while ensuring each piece has at least 2 to 3 eyes. Let's get started. Cutting larger seed potatoes helps you make the most of your planting material. By dividing them into smaller pieces, you can increase the number of plants and ensure each piece has enough eyes to sprout healthy shoots. Here's what you'll need. First, a clean knife. Use a sharp, clean knife to make precise cuts. Next, a cutting board. Ensure you have a clean, flat surface for cutting. And finally, seed potatoes. Select large, healthy seed potatoes with multiple eyes. Follow these steps to cut your seed potatoes. First, inspect the potato. Look for eyes or sprouts on the potato. Each piece should have at least 2 to 3 eyes. Next, make the cuts. Cut the potato into pieces, ensuring each piece has enough eyes. Aim for chunks that are about 1.5 to 2 inches in size. Then, cure the pieces. Allow the cut pieces to dry and form a callus over the cut surface. This helps prevent rot and disease. Place them in a cool, dark place for 1 to 2 days before planting. Here are a few tips for successful cutting. Avoid cutting too small. Pieces that are too small may not have enough energy to grow strong plants. Try to make the pieces as uniform in size as possible for even growth. Ensure your seed potatoes are certified and disease-free to avoid spreading pathogens in your garden. Cutting larger seed potatoes into smaller pieces with 2 to 3 eyes each is a great way to maximize your potato harvest. Follow these steps and tips for a healthy and productive garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!